Building your property in the Gambia while staying abroad? Stay connected to every stage with professional drone property progress update. We provide clear photo and video report from the ground and above. See the actual progress, the structure, roofing, finishing, and site activity, all captured professionally, giving you a real-time view of your home, apartments, or commercial project. Starting from $4,000 per visit, it is peace of mind for your investment. Book your first construction update with us today.